What is going on, guys? Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a square. It's pretty important for origami, isn't it? So I'm going to assume you have an X-Acto knife, a cutting mat, a straight edge, and a piece of paper that's not a square. So let's get started. We're going to fold the paper in a way where we can cut it one time and cut all four edges at the same time. There's parts of my paper that as you can see, that only has one layer. I'm going to cut those parts off. All right. Step one, we're going to take bottom left corner, fold it up, and just line up the edge. Again, can't stress this enough, it does not matter if it is perfect or not. Okay, so you should have this triangle. So what we're going to do now is take this corner and fold it. Basically, we're going to fold it down like this. We're going to line this edge with itself, okay? All the way down. Like that. This is imperative that this is lined up correctly, okay? So, let me turn my lights on. Alright, so it is so important that this edge aligns with the edge behind it. It's like, if you don't do that correctly, you're not going to have a square. So, we now have two edges that are perfectly straight. If we make a cut like this and then unfold it, we will have a perfect square, because right now there are four layers. There are four layers of paper right here. Four edges. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we cut right here, we will be cutting all four edges at the same time. Now we need to make a cut from here to here. And the cut needs to be not perpendicular, but like it needs to create two 45-degree angles, okay? It needs to be perfect or it's not going to be a square. So how I'm going to do that is by lining this corner up with a point on my grid, okay? And then I'm going to line each side up with all the intersection points on my grid. Now I can use my grid. So like this line, for instance, on my grid is the line I will cut across with that point. And now I'm going to line up both edges with all the intersection points of the grid. Alright, so once we've got it lined up, we can make the cut. Now we can cut it. There's a lot of layers, so just really don't let the ruler slide. Here we go. Now hopefully, this is our square. Let's check it out. The cool thing, the really cool thing with this technique is that when you unfold it, your diagonal lines, you know they're already perfect. Because, I mean, look, they're already folded. This is an amazing technique on how to make a square. I really hope you were able to make your square. If you were, definitely hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more origami content. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.